We are going to open the box for the media player Brightsign model LS424. So we are going to open up and see what is inside. The first thing that we see is a page where it is the player setup. Follow the instructions. Then it is the media player. You can see here it is a USB port, the space for the micro SD. It has the serial numbers on the back, and then here you have the HDMI port that goes to the monitor, the USB connection that goes to the power, and then the Ethernet that goes to the Ethernet network. So this is what it is here. Then you have here several adapters. That depends on what country you are going to be to use it. Then you have the power adapter. Here you connect it to the outlet, and then you have here the USB port. So with the USB cable that you have here from this USB, you connect it to here, and through the other USB port, you connect it directly to here. So you power up the equipment, and then you have this to put it here to protect the micro SD memory. So this is all that comes inside the box for the Brightsign LS424. Thank you for being with us.